If you're a business owner and you look at other people in your field who are experts and authorities, feel like they have the edge over you, then there is a secret website that I want to tell you about where you can get registered. People in the media, as well as potential customers, will be able to look you up and see that you are an expert in your field. Hi, my name is Michael Stevenson. I'm the founder of the Ethical Marketing Academy. This secret website is the key for many business owners to become an instant authority and expert. You want to know what the website is? It's Amazon. You know, most people that are program directors of TV shows, radio shows, people who are editors of newspapers and magazines, they are constantly looking for people who are experts and authorities in their field. Believe it or not, the first place they go to look for experts is Amazon. Now, these are just a few of the many books that I have written over the years. Wrote my first book well over 20 years ago, have been on the bestseller list for over 20 years as well. This is my most recent book as of this recording, Becoming Positively Awesome, which not only hit #1 in 2 categories, but also made the Amazon bestseller list. That's the top 100 books out of 6.8 million books. Now, I was one of those kids that struggled in high school. If I was even on people's radars, they probably would have voted me least likely to succeed. I was one of those kids that failed in English and couldn't write, couldn't do any of that kind of stuff, right? I really struggled with an ADHD kind of a brain in school. And if you had told me someday that I was going to be not only a published author, but also a best-selling author, probably would have laughed in your face. But the fact is that anybody can become an author. And it's actually really easy and fun as long as you know how to do it. Knowing how to do something really just comes down to systems and processes. You have to find somebody who's done it before you, who knows enough to document what they did and then follow their procedures. The fact is, you can become an author even if you hate writing and even if your writing stinks. And we can show you how. Our course, Publishing to Profit, has my proprietary 7-step system that I developed over 20 years ago to write my very first book, which has been on the bestseller list for over 20 years. It's a very simple process that anybody can do. We've had people from all walks of life, from every level of education, even people who don't have formal education, finish their books within 30 to 90 days. Part of the process is learning how to tap into your subconscious mind, which is your creative mind. See, most people, when they get writer's block, the fact that they're trying to use the wrong mind. They're trying to write consciously, using their conscious mind. And your conscious mind is your logical, analytical mind. So I'm going to teach you how to get past that conscious barrier that blocks you from writing, how to get into the flow so that your book just flows out of you. And when you do that with the structure that I provide, you can get your book done within, most people within 30 to 60 days, 90 days at the most. And by the way, when I talk about getting a book done within 30 days, I'm not talking about a 25-page book. We've had people write 600-700-page books in 30 to 60 days and become best-selling authors. So we will teach you everything that you need to know at Publishing to Profit, which is coming up soon in your local area. Click the button somewhere on this page, the button or the link, to take you there, read about the event, and I hope you can make it soon.